my Tascam UH-7000 could be the cause of this problem. I've got it connected to the Reaper with the latest update. It's the 27th of October 2025, and I've got a single microphone. It's got a battery in there, but as soon as I engage the phantom power, even with other microphones I've tested it with, other phantom power mics, it does this. It goes schizo and then jumps back and forth between 44.1 and 48. It's not showing that today, but yesterday it was flashing on the 48 symbol. So it seems to be communicating with my Windows in that fashion. So yesterday I had the Windows locked on 48 and it just kept on like doing what it wanted, and now it's quasi behaving itself. How do I get into there? Sound. Got to go to devices maybe. There we go, there it is. Yeah, so if I flip it over to 48, 16-bit 48, DVD quality, okay. That, nothing's going to happen, I bet, but I'll go back to the Reaper. And you see it's still doing this redlining, just flat chat, making this really strong, distorted kind of sound. And it's still going skids. Every now and then it'll switch off, but then it won't actually be functioning as a microphone. It just won't work as a microphone channel, rather. So, yeah, could be toast, I suppose.